Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to highlight text in photopea. Let's begin. Create a new project. Project name here. Up to 300. Create. Click the text layer. Right click. Type tool. Create a new layer. Then type text. Okay. Then see this text layer. Click down. Again create a new layer and select shape. Right click. Use any shape. Rectangle. Select text color red or customs color, double click for this is customs color, then click and drag on your mouse. Again double click text, change color white. Okay, now we can see this highlight text. Hold control select align middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.